That clock's off.
101. 101. I knew I'd get you on that.
How are you? Good. Good to see you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'd like to call to order the Nassau County Board of Commissioners meeting for 1 o'clock today, November 22nd, 2016. Before we get started, I'm sure everyone is aware of the tragic death of one of our law enforcement officers today. And I would like to issue the following statement. On behalf of Nassau County Commission, we offer our sincere condolences to Officer Eric Oliver's family and to all the men and women of the Nassau County Sheriff's Office. Officer Oliver's tragic death is a stark reminder of the danger our brave men and women in law enforcement face every day to keep our communities safe. We will always remember his dedication to protect and serve the people of Nassau County. If you would, please rise for a moment of silence. Thank you. Pledge of allegiance. I pledge allegiance
to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you. Roll call.
Commissioner Kelly?
Here.
Commissioner Spicer?
Here.
Commissioner Taylor?
Here.
Commissioner Edwards?
Here.
Chair Leeper?
Here.
Thank you.
Thank you. This time audience input, I have 4 names, and you can come speak now or after the presentation, so it'll be your preference. Carlos Slay.
Thank you, gentlemen, for allowing me to speak this afternoon on behalf regarding the East Nassau County Stewardship District. Mr. Chairman, this proposal is without question the largest expansion of government I have ever seen in Florida. The legislation before you today creates a new government with new powers that will rival anything else we have seen and will set a new standard for how private companies can create their own governments. In this 104-page proposed bill, it is evident to me that it is largely aimed at creating a set of conditions that will allow the landowners to leverage the benefits of bonding, taxation, and special assessment as means to obtain the money needed to build what they desire to construct in their new city, considering the fact that proposed plan will impact 1/3 of Nassau County land mass. I've noticed there's no referendum in this proposed legislation. I believe that because this project is so large, it will impact so many citizens who live in the communities that surround the proposed area, and the citizens deserve to have a vote, sir. I've noticed there was no provision for low-income housing or workforce housing in the proposed legislation. I was also in this bill wondering, has anybody ever got an opinion from the Florida Department of Environmental Protections or from the St. Johns River Water Management for their analysis of this bill and the fiscal impact the bill would have on the state agency or any opinion they may have about the proposed bill? Does the legislation address the possible presence of culture from the Department of State and so much history that we have in this county? But I've noticed, sir, I understand that the people living in this district will only pay 88% of their home value in property taxes to the Board of County Commissioners. I would like to know if this is correct. I would like to know why they are getting this discount Does this violate the equal protection clause in some way? Equal taxation seemed to me to be an important principle to everyone should be treated the same by its government. Will this new government that is being formed be required to comply with the public records laws of Florida as well as the Sunshine Law? I would ask that each and every board member and commissioner here, as your job, to look out for the safety, the health, and the well-being of the citizens of Nassau County, and look very closely at this bill that is trying to be passed. I thank you for this time, and thank you for allowing me to speak in here today. Thank you.
Thank you. Next speaker, Wes.